Hello friends, I am Trilochan. I hope you are safe and healthy. Today I am very happy to announce that I am going to start my favorite programming language Python series for you. It is also most popular language in world in 2020 in terms of number of developer who are using it, in terms of number of libraries we have, in terms of number of companies who are using it, and in terms of areas you can implement. And you talk about machine learning, you talk about software development, web development, mathematics, system script, and you can use it everywhere. And that's why it is also called as general purpose language. So in this video, we'll talk about what is Python, why it is so useful, and why you should learn it. So as I mentioned, Python is popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. The interesting thing is here, I also born in the same year. That's why I love Python much, I think. So what can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create a web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create a workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data, perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Then why Python? Python works on a different platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Name anything. So Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has also syntax that allow developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python run on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means the prototyping can be very quick, right? Python can be treated in procedural way, functional way, and also object oriented way. In Python, good to know things are like the Python most recent major version of Python is Python 3, and which we shall be using in this series. However, Python 2, although not being updated with any other than security updates, is still quite popular. So in this series, in Python will be written in VS Code. So there is no other text editor, or you can say IDE we are using. So we will using your favorite editor, VS Code. Okay. So if you compare the Python syntax to the other programming language, Python was designed to readability and has some similarity to English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation, using white space to define scope, such as scope of loops, functions, classes. Other programming languages often use curly braces for this purpose, right? So in this series, we will learn Python basic syntax with example. Not only that, we will focus on concept based, because I believe I need like we need to understand the concept while learning any programming language. So next episode we'll learn how to install and write hello world program in Python. So I hope you will enjoy this series, but make sure that you subscribe my channel before going forward, and also share with your friends, everyone, so let everyone learn Python programming. Thank you so much.